Hello, trailer people. Another beautiful day in Phoenix. Today, I spent some time replacing these sliders on the bottom of my bed here. I have to do both of them because they, I guess, originally were this fiberglass kind of material and just completely got shattered by what the previous owners did. So anyway, you should get these strips. I believe they're 75 inches when you get them. A full kit will be 4, and that will actually be enough despite it looking like that it isn't, because you can get the strips cut in half. Let's see, where'd my scissors go? I just got a regular pair of scissors that I used with mine. You can cut them to about 35 inches in length, and that should get you there. I actually ended up with quite a bit of leftovers on the shorter ones, so maybe you could do 34. But let's see, make sure you get at least a 1/4 inch of overhang on here. I got these wood screws that are used for like chicken fence, and they seem to work out really, really well. They have a nice little flange to help support the screw a bit more. Let's see, here we go. Tex number 8 by 1 inch. And for the handles, I use these number 8 by 1 5/8 just to get a little bit of extra reach and make them secure.